In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a shield in Minecraft Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip and use a shield. So you will be able to craft a shield using wooden planks and an iron bar. To actually use it, you need to equip it in your offhand slot. You can use it like this, where you select the item from your hotbar and then you crouch to bring it up, but most people prefer to slide it in here. So you put it in your offhand. Once this is done, every time that you crouch, the shield will be held up, blocking any projectiles or any attacks. So now I'm going to go into survival to demonstrate this. So essentially all that you have to do is to crouch while you have a shield equipped in your main hand, so you select it from your hotbar, or you equip a shield in your offhand, which is recommended. So I spawned some skeletons here. I'm gonna go towards them, and you will notice that if I'm crouching and the shield is being held up, the arrows deflect from the shield. So I'm blocking them by holding up the shield. It seems like they're fighting each other, but you can still see the general idea. As long as the projectile hits the front of the shield, it will stop any projectiles. And keep in mind that you need to be looking at the attack. So as you saw, when I turned my back, the arrows still hit me. This is because they are hitting my character and not the shield. So essentially all that you have to do is crouch. And as long as you are crouching and looking at the attack, the shield will take the damage instead. Shields have durability, so keep that in mind. Eventually they will break and you will either have to repair them or craft a new one. Now, before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. Then, by subscribing, you can help us make higher quality content. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.